Good morning! Kita niyo ba ako? Ako daw pag-drive-in niya buong araw ngayong araw. Papagod na daw siya. Sabi ko okay. Nag-vlog pala ako kanina. Ito yung continuation. Makikita niyo yung vlog na yun. Kagabi. Kasi mauna yung ma-upload. Si Dan kasi after namin nag-breakfast, naligo agad siya. Tapos sabi niya, maligo ka na. Tapos tayo, bili tayo ng gift ni Neil. Sabi niya, dapat before 1 makabalik na tayo. Sabi ko, before 1? Anong oras na? 11, check natin. Anong oras na dyan?
We'll go to Newton because it's raining.
Okay.
So we have to park undercover.
Newton
I'll quickly check your PO box. We'll go there quickly.
12 na ng hapon. Sabi niya, before 1, dapat nakabalik na kami. So, hindi na ako naligo kasi ayaw ko naman magmadali. Ako na bahala sa garage door
Yeah, wipers, babe.
Kasi ako ay
Jesus.
nagda-drive. Ngayon pa talagang
we won't
araw
check
na
the PO
to.
box today. I guess.
We won't check it?
I'll check it. I'll run it.
No, you don't have to.
We'll go to Newton first, and then we'll see what's happening on the way back.
Okay.
Hopefully it's raining less. That way. Got your lights on?
No, do I need it?
Yeah, turn your lights on. It's raining.
It's really...
See? Like these people. Stop. You press that button in as well, babe, so you got that extra on the side.
What button?
Then the car turns itself off. There you go. Doing the accelerator, there's no...
See, ako pinapadrive niya. Tapos ang dami niyang mga ganap do. Just let me drive, babe. Did you regret that you let me drive?
No, you gotta learn to drive in the wet.
Uy, marunong ako. Uy, iwan ko sa'yo. O, diba dito wala na tao. Pero dyan. Sige, sige. Maling ko kaya dito. Let's slow down everybody, ha? Kasi, it's wet, it's wet.
You didn't bring your purse?
I did. It's there.
Is it?
Dito kami sa Woolies, guys. Bili lang kami ng drinks. Yung dinner kasi namin na pupuntahan para sa birthday ni Neil malapit sa bahay. So sabi niya, just in case magyaya sila na pumunta sa bahay, at least may drinks tayo. O, diba? Laging handa. And then, we have the cracker that I got last shopping trip. We can get like a cheese dip just in case.
Okay.
Para tayo mga tanga. Mga half price, oh. Dove. Lahat ng Dove. Yung gamit ko, yung maliit nito. Yung hindi spray. Cucumber. Perfect. Half price. Cucumber and green tea. Naka half price din yan. Kaya lang wala kaming Flybuys points dito kasi Woolies to eh. Itong taong to, sabi ko sa Woolies. Pinagtatawanan ako. Sabi niya, konti lang naman yung bibili natin. Uy, hindi yan makaka-apekto ng points mo. Sabi ko, grabe siya. Dito kami sa alcohol shop. Bigyan niya daw ng alcohol si Neil Z. Beer? Wala namang San Miguel dito, babe. What are you thinking? Naghahanap sila ng pabango daw ng bahay, guys. Kasi medyo may amoy daw. Papiliin natin siya. Ito yung galing sa Yes Style. So, meron tayong choose, babe. April Cotton, Juicy Grapefruit, Peach Blossom.
Peach.
Peach? Okay. We'll use that then. Balik natin to. Load pala kami ng Footy. Ay. Isda. Yes Style. Tignan mo si Jobby. Jobby? Namamahinga ka dyan? Asa na si Ghost? Ay, si Ghost. See? Normal na siya. Hindi na siya galaw ng galaw ba? Yan si Ghost. Si Jobby. Maginaw ba? Jobby? Ayan. Ano na? Simula na, babe. Nalaro nila. Ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Sabi, you can spray in any room, car. Liit naman ang mga lettering nito. Ang sabi? Room, car, or directly on garments. Ay! And clothes. To freshen the air. Okay. Try natin yan. Di ko pa ito nagamit eh. You okay? Yeah. Can you smell it? Oh, that smells good. That smells fresh. Ang ganda ng pa-flower. Ang ganda ng flower na yan. Ang tagal na mamatay. Yan. Can you even smell it, babe? Can you smell it? I can smell it now. I already did that. Okay, that's it. That's enough. Gara. Buang kiri. Can you smell it now? It's not too strong, which is good. Hello, guys. We are making banana bread. Meron kaming paparating na bisita mamaya. Sina John. Kasama yung mga bata. So, before kami pumunta sa dinner ni Neil mamaya, pupunta muna sila dito kasi meron daw ipapatahi si John sa ano niya. Bumili na siya ng jumper. Is it a jumper?
What's that?
He got a new jumper. Tapos meron daw butas. Sabi niya, marunong ba magtahi si Riz? Tatahiin ko siya, guys. Pero meron kaming bananas. Yung nabili namin sa market na sobrang mura lang.
All finished?
No, not that one yet. But you can take all these.
Oh, I see. It's all finished.
Yes. So, nilagay ko na yung bananas, butter, baking soda, salt, sugar, egg, vanilla extract. Or, yeah, we have vanilla extract. So, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, but because we have the essence, gagawin ko siyang 2 teaspoons. Or, yeah, just... And then, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. 1.5, so 3 of these.
Ferry, is that half a cup?
Yep. Naka-preheat na din yung oven namin 175 degrees Celsius. Mamaya pa naman sila darating, kaya lang nanonood kami ng footy. Actually, si Dan lang nanonood. Ano siya? Half-time. So, may time kami.
Ready?
Wait, sige. Alright, now I'm all good. Thank you. Tapos isang oras to, guys. 50 minutes i-check sa oven. Ito lang yung pinakasimpleng recipe na nahanap ko. So, yan na yung pinafollow ko lagi. And okay naman siya. Except sa sugar. Hindi ko pinafollow yung sugar kasi sabi 3/4. Yung ginagawa ko, ano lang siya, just less than half na sugar. Kasi ayoko na sobrang tamis. Luto na siya, guys. Tingnan niyo yung bisita namin. Wala na naman si Uli at saka si Manay. Napunta kami lahat sa birthday ni Neil, pero mamaya pa. Binili daw to ni John, tapos merong saan yun? Basta pinakaiyan. Madali lang naman yung tahiin. Is it good?
Yeah, it's not that good.
That's good. Habang sila ay kumakain, i-dry natin yung buhok ko. Malapit na naman siya mag-dry, pero mas maganda kasi yung resulta kapag binublow dry talaga siya, guys. So, gagamitin natin yung ito. So, ang dami niyang attachments, 'di ba? Pero the most useful one para sa akin is itong blow dryer. And hindi ko pa like ma-review lahat kasi like yung binayaran natin is for the whole set, which is like, you know, quite expensive. But for this one alone, it's way better than my usual blow dryer. Yung usual blow dryer ko, wala na nga dito. I think I got rid of it already. Yung mumurahin lang talaga. Remington ata. Wait, i-close ko lang yung door kasi medyo maingay. Sobrang bilis lang niya nakaka-dry. As in, sobrang laki talaga ng difference. Nanonotice ko talaga yung difference nito at saka nung unang blow dryer ko. And the good thing about this is you can actually adjust the setting as well. Kung gaano kainit. I usually, kapag sobrang pa-dry na talaga yung buhok ko, I put it like the lowest setting, yung cold. Pero usually, I always go for the middle setting. Yan, para sa dalawa. And hindi ako natatakot na matamaan yung mga buns ng extension ko. Kasi nga hindi siya ganun kainit. Hindi siya ganun kainit guys, pero it really dries my hair like. So ginagawa ko, ginaganon ko yung buhok ko and then dinadry ko siya. Like noon sa blow dryer ko guys, hindi ko talaga siya bino-blow dry directly sa buns na extensions ko. Kasi nga natatakot ako na baka magtanggalan kasi 'di ba mainit, pero ito hindi talaga siya mainit. As in, ano siya, medyo warm siya ng konti, pero hindi siya, parang hindi mo na-feel na hala makaka-damage ng buhok. Alam mo yun? Did you like the banana bread, Zach?
It's even better now.
Even better
Since it's
now.
cooled down, it's actually.
Did you like it, Kuya?
3 or 4 now, it's fine.
So who's coming here next week? Who's staying with us next week? Hey, share.
So next week for breakfast, do you guys want a Filipino breakfast?
No.
Or do you,
No.
What do you want for breakfast next week? Pancakes. What do you want, TJ?
Bacon, egg, and rice.
Okay.
Fried rice.
Right.
Fried rice.
Oh,
You know?
You like vegetables?
fried rice with no
Vegetables. With no vegetables for you, Kuya. Okay.
vegetables.
Okay. What kind of vegetable do you eat?
Peas, carrots,
Hmm.
and
Spinach? No, not spinach. Ask Tito Dan to say the word vegetable.
Vegetable.
Is that right, Zach?
Vegetable. Say hospital.
peas, carrot, and corn.
Corn. Yep, that's good. That's what he eats as well.
Corn.
Peas, carrots,
corn.
and corn.
You don't like corn?
You don't like it, Kuya? Why? You don't like the taste?
I have corn at Bali.
Bali, yeah. Is it good in Bali, the corn? It's good.
I had a butter on. My
Yeah.
mom has spicy on.
Spicy? Oh, okay. Oh, that's something good. Spicy corn.
Spicy.
You only had butter? Butter is good as well. Yeah. Nah, thank you, Zach.
How do I
Thanks.
thumbs up?
Bait naman. What do you think about the fish?
There's your fish. There's the fish. There's my fish.
Yeah, it moves.
TJ's the.
Sabi ni Dana, ang pangalan daw nila TJ at saka Zach. So this is TJ. That's Zach. Is that you, Zach? The small one? Ayaw niya. Oh, yung sa makeup ko pala. Yung lips ko, yung Maybelline Tattoo na Amazonian. And then, yeah, yun lang. Hindi ako nag-concealer. Ano lang ako, nag-powder lang ako ng hala. Pinatayan naman tayo ng ilay. ng ilaw. Nauna ng mga bata, guys. Gutom na ako. Yung last na kain ko kaninang ano pa, umaga, breakfast. We're here. Dito na kami, guys. Wala pang tao. Kami pa nauna. Nood sila ng footy. So, gusto ni Dan at saka ni John dito maupo para makapanood ng footy. Yung naglalaro is yung team naman ni John ngayon. So, kaninang mga 1, team ni Dan yung naglaro. Natalo siya. And then, after that, team ni Zach. Nanalo si Zach. Pero natalo si Neil. Tapos ngayon, Richmond and Essendon. So, Essendon yung team ni John naman. Sana manalo si John. Dito na ang birthday boy! Happy birthday! Sorry for your loss. Charot, sorry for your loss. Natalo kasi siya. I know. He didn't even watch. He was watching a different movie. Hi, Daing. Ganda ng haircut mo. Walang bayan. Wala, kaya nga, libre. Hi, Papa!
Nauuso na ba ang husband cuts na
Ang ganda ng buhok niya. Kinat ni Neil. Papa! Dito na pala siya, guys. Kanina pa. Nauna pa sa kina Neil. Si Mark.
Hindi na ako naniliti. Papansin mo yan, dahil hindi na ulit. Lagi na talaga.
Walang kids.
Wala kasi ba?
Walang bata. Gat-igat na naman ito bata. Oh, ako din. Gutom na ako doon. Order na tayo. Pwede na ba akong order? Pwede na siguro umorder.
Order na sa nagsa.
Order na. Tingnan nyo na naman yung dalawa. Iba din talaga. Ay, nako. Focus siya sa kanyang esedo na laro. Uy! Ito, oh. Lululululu. Dito na yung order ay. Lisa, chicken nuggets tapos kay Kuya hotdog. Is it good, Kuya? Wabe? Ito na guys. Oo, ito yung favorite ko dito talaga. Like, hindi ako mahilig sa burger, pero ito, iba talaga to. Sarap nito. Tapos si Dan, same. Chicken burger. Did you get well done steak, John? Yeah. And then kay Lovely yan. Ano yan? Squid.
Spicy squid.
And then kay Mark, same. Si Kati hintay nga nga. Late eh. Yung drink ko pala lemon lime. Kain tayo. Kain.
Ay, may talagang ginawa. Sige na.
Ginawa niya kanina. Babe, show Mark. Kuya, dito na lang sa Pilipina, kuya. Kuya, dito na lang sa Pilipina. Like that. Sige na. Sige na tayo. Sige na, kuya. Ayaw niya na. Ang galing niya kanina. Sige na. Ayaw niya eh? Wala talaga. No reaction. Lemon chai. Tinry mo talaga.
Kaya mo?
Second.
Kaya mo?
Hindi ko pa na-try. Di ba dapat naasiman ka, hindi ka natatawa?
Hindi, bakit? Oh, hindi nga.
Bakit tumawa? Nakakatawa yung mukha mo. Nakakatawa yung mukha mo. Maasim talaga? Sabi ko
Gusto
sa'yo,
mo kainin mo, may laway mo.
lemon. Ala, ang kapirahan ba ya sa background?
Pakita mo dapat yung lemon. Ano lang mo reaction? Ganyan ba?
Ulit. Sige. Maasim pa talaga yan? Pilit ko hindi maasim yan sa'yo.
Pakita mo. Maasim, oy. Mukhang may pagkakain namang matamis na lemon. Okay. Dito! Sabi niya sa akin, ano pa naman nangahawa ng away?
Asim. Buha nga asim. Lagi ang asim eh. Dito kami kinakat guys. What time is it, babe? Ano oras na ba? 9:30. 9:30? Dito kami kinakat. Dito yung mga OG.
Line it up, big height.
Then,
Kaya well,
Kaya was
bahan
bumago.
sila niya.
ni Array ang buwang.
Bantay na mo di mo like ha.
Si John Rosa. Wala si Manay. Si John Rosa. Wala, kalmaharas usaw. Pinaanan. Ka mo tayo.
Damihan ng education na.
Is it good? I saw you.
I'm 53.
Naman 53.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Newsy.
53 years old.
Happy birthday to you. Ready?
Yay. Dito kami guys sa bahay nila.
See, Zaki told you 53. Oh.
53.
53.
Happy birthday!
53. Yeah, he's 53.
He's all 53 yung ano kanina.
Then he said that he's 35.
Sorry?
53, just really good skin products. Anti-aging.
Magbuang-buang tapos ano, seryoso? Sige.
Sige, Kati. Guys, dalagang Pilipinas challenge.
Pangatlong version na to ha. Kapoy na yung talente ko nito ha.
Meron kay Kat, meron kay Love.
Parpagyan
Ito,
ko sa
seryoso.
Zoom pic.
Seryoso na, seryoso na. Competitive style ba? It's
Panyari mo
dami na nang nanonood.
Alright, Zaki, staying here. For a week.
No, you're not.
Yeah. Alright, Zaki, down the line.
Competitive siya doon.
Uy, alis na si John. John, see you next week. See ya. See ya. See ya, see you next week.
Sabi niya,
Bye. Lucky. See ya. Bye-bye. Oh, that's her goal. Uy.
sige, ulitin natin.
Ulitin natin. Si John naman yan. Panira naman. Ang timing na.
Yan, isasali mo to. Isali mo na sila.
Kaya nga.
Yeah. Sige, mag-anak ako. Gusto mo
Sige.
ibabaan dito.
What
What is it?
Wait, sa.
You're gonna make a silly face, like
Sige,
funny,
Daddy.
cute face.
Like this and... Wait, sorry, this is makita.
Wait, adjust natin.
Sama sila.
Kaya nga.
Si
Can you show
Marco.
me a demo first?
Look at this. Look at her.
Like this.
Yeah, that's it.
Sige, ready?
No.
Nag-ano siya din. Okay lang yan, hindi tayo.
Sige.
Rewind. Ang gusto niya talaga, competitive talaga ito.
Kaya
Ikat ha, kasi ang saya talaga nito.
How long to go for?
Sige na.
5 seconds, 10 seconds.
Hamster na daddy.
Ready?
Ano nangyari sa linis?
That's it.
Ay, si Mark, hindi naman.
Like this na ba? Dila.
Ikaw dito.
Bawa dila.
Sige, Mark. Sige, Mark.
Like halfway through the
Atis, walo. Ba't ka na nakuha namin? Bunggay yun tayo. Kusilil ka na dyan. Sabi ni... Para ba tayo nasa stroke nito?
Why don't you just get the camera and do like super slow mo and just do normal speed and then that can be it.
No, it has to be silly. Like the faces.
Yeah.
Like the...
Yeah,
Oh,
just do it. You can just do it normal speed, like just make silly faces. And then you just
Yeah, and then just slow it down.
Slow,
when you edit.
like that, yeah. Mountain climb.
Parang sinasadya talaga nila slow sa totoong
Yung iba siguro. Oh, yung totoo ko, hindi na talaga. Pero yung edit na, sinaslow mo niya.
ng tubig cut.
Uwi na kami guys.
Si Mark, uwi na talaga to.
Kasi gusto nga niya mag-ano kami mag-late.
Parang di kasi.
Talagang Pilipina talaga to.
Siyempre.
Pilipina.
Like, subscribe, Simply Race.
Talagang Pilipina, ye. Tatlo na ang anak niya, ye.
Bakit magaling ka?
Magaling mag-apply doon.
Kaya siya na lagi nabubuntis.
Yeah.
Ang galing natin dun guys.
I copied
Upside
it.
down ang ano, ye.
Oh, everyone's cut their own hair.
Maganda ko.
It's got, Tony would have done Lara's. He's done. How can he done Lara's? He definitely dyed Lara's hair. How can he cut it?
He dyed it.
Did he cut it?
Maybe just
I don't think
a
she
trim.
will say
Maybe
yes.
a trim. Huh?
I don't think Lyra will say yes to that.
The
It's
cutting.
so easy cutting girls' hair.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's all done nice.
yeah, but mine is so thin, babe. Mine doesn't even count. Was it easy?
Thank you for
Because
coming,
it-
guys.
Yeah, but like you know, I know that you could do it a lot better.
Yeah,
to,
you just
like,
wet
layers.
it, right? Did you wet it?
Yeah, wet it.
Yeah.
Sa di
Had a shower.
But there's no like, there's no layering.
Kaya
You
yan
know,
kay
it's
Mark.
just,
Yeah.
Hindi ako titiwala. Baka
gonna
makalpo
grow
ako. Ang
again.
sinabuhat ko.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Neil Z. Thank you for having us. Bye, thank
Happy
you.
birthday.
Can I get a cuddle? Kaninang get a cuddle?
53 years
Cuddle.
old.
53.
Cuddle, Nina.
Next year I'll be
Yeah, ano, what's the skincare? What's the
63.
skincare?
Sige na, dalagang Pilipina eh.
Baba, hurry up.
Where's my shoe?
Get the shoes.
Looking shoes.
Bye na kami guys. Mag-skincare lang ako. Nakapalit na ako ng pantulog. Ang lamig. Yun na yung vlog. Sana guys na-enjoy nyo. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Be good. Good night. Nagmamadali ako kasi nagbe-blink na siya. Good night guys. Bye!